Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions is simple. We multiply numerators with each other and denominators with each other too. The result obtained is the product of multiplication. In symbols, we have the following. We have the following example. When a number multiplies a fraction, the number obviously multiplies only the numerator of fraction because of the following. Example. Calculate the equations shown on screen. Solution. We can simplify the first numerator and the second denominator by 7 to obtain a more suitable fraction after the operations. Thus, we obtain the following. We can write 6 as 6 over 1. Thus, we obtain the following. Again, we can write 2 as 2 over 1. We have the following. We can simplify the result by 2 to obtain the following. That is all for lesson 3.4.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.4.6, Division of Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.